What's the meaning of civil marriage? Civil marriage. Civil marriage.
Civil marriage. Civil marriage. Civil marriage refers to a legally recognized marriage that is conducted and registered by a government authority, as opposed to a religious institution. It provides the couple with legal rights and protections, such as the ability to inherit property, make medical decisions for each other, and file joint taxes. Civil marriage is often seen as a secular alternative to religious marriage and can be performed without any religious affiliation or requirement. Overall, civil marriage serves as an important means of providing legal recognition and protection to couples, regardless of their religious beliefs.